Kush like a cat. What a bird go for? I got that in my coat.
That's my nigga Blood, man, in front of me, man. The motherfucking Corvette and shit with like a 464 hanging out the motor and shit. I mean, he's shitting on him and shit. Hell yeah. You know, she see the scoops and shit. You know, she sitting on sixes my damn self. But I'm saying, we're gonna talk about that shit. We got Blood right now. Look at this motherfucker. I'm talking about this motherfucker is crazy. This nigga gone already and shit. Look, everybody looking at him and shit. And then we ran out through some hot ass shit too. I ain't supposed to be over here for real. I'm nervous in the motherfucker too. I should let this motherfucker follow my ass. I don't know where I'm going though. I'm going and shit. Smoking a little kush too. I just threw the motherfucker out though. They were looking at me and shit, recording his ass. I'm gonna show you. And he on 24 Asantis too. I'm talking about he's shitting on Asantis on his ass. I mean, he's shitting on them, bro. I mean, he's super sweet. He's sweet, bro. Super sweet. Look, right here, baller, look. Asantis and shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing. Corvette, you know what I'm saying? 24 Asantis. What you mean? You know what I'm saying? Big boy shit.